Wagwan. My name is Lika. If you're new here, then go ahead and press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video. Today's video, we're going to be making a key fob. Alright, so to make my key fob, I'm using a piece of scrap fabric that I have measured 4 by 11 and also a pellon to match that same size. I have this pliers and Artware kit that I got from Amazon, linked in the description box below. So let's get started in making a key fob. Now place the gritty side of the pellon down onto the wrong side of the fabric and press. This should add an extra layer of thickness to your fabric. Now I'm going to fold the fabric into half. I'm going to run my fingers onto the folded side so it can leave a crease in the middle. Now I'm going to take both ends and fold again towards that center. Folding those two ends to the center, I'm going to fold one last time and it should look something like this. And then for video purposes, I'm just going to use my clips to hold the side together. Then I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine and then I'm going to straight stitch along both sides. To stitch the sides, I am leaving out about a 1/4 inch seam allowance using a 0.5 width and a 2.5 length setting. Even though I'm going to add the clasp, I like to do this for extra security. So I'm going to line up both ends together and then I'm going to sew along the end. I'm going to sew this a few times. So I'm going to sew forward and then back stitch and repeat those same exact steps. Now, let's add the Artware. So I got this kit from Amazon and I can link it in the description box below. So to get started, I like to take the ring off just to make it a little bit easier for me. I'm going to take the opening of the clasp and put it onto the end of the key fob. Then I'm going to use my pliers and just really press into the fabric just to make sure the teeth are grasping into the fabric and make it harder for it to come off. Once that's securely pressed into the fabric, now I can add my ring, and that's how you make a key fob. Here I'm showing you a non-sew version of a key fob that I made using nylon webbing, something like you use for a belt or for a bag strap, and you can find this on Amazon as well. All you need is the webbing and the Artware and you're good to go. You don't have to use the same exact measurements that I made for my key fob. You can make a smaller one, a bigger one, just whatever that fits your preference. Here are a few versions that I've made in the past using both gold and silver Artware. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you guys think of it and what you guys are looking forward to see. And don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram page at thatsolika. As always, happy sewing and thank you.